To check your call history on the T-Mobile app, first open the app and navigate to the Usage tab at the bottom of the screen. Once in the Usage section, tap on Calls to see a detailed log of your incoming, outgoing, and missed calls for the current billing cycle. Each entry shows the date, time, call duration, and phone number with partial masking for privacy. Postpaid plans update in near real time, while prepaid plans update after calls are processed. Checking your call history helps you monitor your usage and prevent unexpected charges on your bill. Need to keep a record of your calls? The T-Mobile app lets you export your call logs. In the Usage section, look for the Download option. You can export your call history as a CSV file or PDF. Keep in mind that exports are limited to the last 90 days for security. This feature ensures data privacy by redacting full phone numbers. The files can be emailed or downloaded directly. Make sure you have the latest version of the app, v15.0 Plus, as of 2025. For older records beyond 90 days, contact T-Mobile customer service.